Welcome to el Bosque Nuevo. Everybody wants to say hi. Hello everybody, my name is Ernesto Rodriguez. I'm the manager of Mariposario El Bosque Nuevo. It's a butterfly farm. El Bosque Nuevo has started in 1995 as a reforestation project. It started with 50 hectares of teak trees. Then in 2000 we became butterfly farmers. Since then we have been working with around 100 species of butterflies with the idea to supply around the world. The mission of this project is just not only raising butterflies as a butterfly supplier, also our main goal is conservation. We want to protect the fauna, the wildlife is in this small reserve we've been created from 1995. And even just not the conservation of forests, also the health of the community, our employees, families. We almost are around 70 families are dependent of this project. So lots of people, they come over here, they never have the experience before to be in nature, to have mud in their foods, to touch a caterpillar, to hold a butterfly, to learn about plants. Even just to walk out the forest is a wild experience for them. Swimming in the river, there's a lot of people living in the cities, they don't have that experience. Even local people from Costa Rica. People around the world with different universities, they visit us to work with research they have in mind or projects they have in their universities. We supply all the help for them and the facilities here, just not the house, the forest or plants we have for breeding stock. We have the experience with Germans, Italians, Canadians, people from US. So it's been super nice, that experience also for our people and for me too. This is Heliconia saras caterpillars. They are getting closer to the last instar. Pretty soon they became a beautiful pupae. It's been very grateful to see how this butterfly industry is helping lots of families around the world. It's not just in Costa Rica, but butterfly farmers, in the cases in Costa Rica, we have seen them. The metamorphosis is being shown in their families, how everything looks way better, better quality of life, more opportunities for their child. We have to thank you to everyone is being helping to all these communities, families, and also into the industry. It's been a pleasure for me to show you around the farm and show what we do here. And more than welcome anytime you guys want to come and visit us. See you soon, hopeful, and goodbye.